Alright, my name is Tanner George Cummings, and I am the author of DIY for Prisoners, also Prisoner Survival Skills, How to Make Something Out of Nothing. I've got both of these two DIY books are available on Amazon. Also, one of them is available on freebirdpublishers.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade multi-outlet from basically 2 soda cans, uncrushed, some cardboard, as you can see here in my hand, and some tape. Now, this is a multi-outlet for which we make in TDCJ. This is one version of it. The object is you're going to cut the can right here at the top, right around the edge, like I've done here. And when you cut that off, you're going to have like this. The next thing you'll do is you'll cut this bottom part off around the bottom edge. You'll have a cylinder can, and then you'll take the can and you'll cut it. You'll take and you'll break it. You'll bend it and fold it till it breaks in half. Then you'll take it lengthwise and you'll take it and you'll bend it in half again, like so. What you want to do is you want to make 4 long rectangular pieces and crease this. That's why you want 2 soda cans uncrushed. Once you break them in half, you'll have 2 pieces similar to this right here. Then you'll take each piece and you'll fold them in half again, like this. You want 4 pieces to look like this. The next thing you'll do is you'll take 2 of these that you make and you'll bend them at a 45-degree angle, like so. In which case you'll have a piece like this. Then take the top and you bend it down 1/3 of the way, like so. Then you bend it down 1/3 of the way again. You'll see how you got this bottom piece here. What you can do is you can bend it up to fold inward to it, where it bends inward. And then if you have something to smash it down with, like a cup, drinking cup, and then you want 2 of these, and then you'll have 2 of these similar that are just straight. Put this to the side. Now that you have 2 of these and you have 2 of these, put these to the side. The next thing you want to do is you want to take the cardboard, which I've already got the lines marked. You take your piece here like this and you size it accordingly to the cardboard, and you draw a straight line. You take it, you cut that, and you want to make strips. This is what your spacer is. What's going to be in between the two sets of aluminum cans. The next thing you do is you take your tape and you wrap the 4 of your spacers together. Make it nice and tight so it doesn't come loose. The next thing you do is you take some strips of tape. You cut strips. You'll take one piece like so, and you'll place it like this up top. The object is to make this stay together without coming apart. Then you'll take the second piece, you'll place it on the other side, and you'll wrap tape around it as well. All the way around. This is now your male prongs to stick in the plug. The second thing you'll do is you'll cut another strip and you'll space it out approximately about a ½ inch around, and you'll go all the way around again. Again, you do the same thing. You'll do this roughly 3-4 times until you got your spacers, the plugs. Try to keep the tape on top of each other like so. Now the next thing you'll do is you'll make another strip of tape, just wall. And you'll cut another strip. You'll take this one long strip that you didn't fold, you place it on one side, right above the same place that you put a piece of tape earlier. You'll tape it to the just like so, and you'll take the second piece and you'll place it in the same place on the other side and wrap tape around it to keep it together. And you'll do the same thing. You put tape right over the same places in the same space and all the way down. Do it again, I'll space it down. And then you'll do it again until you got all the spacing done. In this case, I made a 4-prong multi-outlet. Now what I do is I take something that I can wedge in between each of the two sides and bend them one way or the other to make easier insertion of the male prong. If you'll notice how it opens it up so you can insert the male plug. Now how do you prevent yourself from being shocked? That's easy. I take a piece of tape and I align it close to the edge as I can, like so. I bring it up. And then I bring it back and around and I tighten it. Just like so. Take the top, push it around and over on the side. Just like so. And then I'll cut the tape off. Fold it like so. So where the edges are together. Peel that back. Push it in and down. I'll cut approximately right here close to the edge. Then I'll push it down so that way it covers it. Just like so. Now you have a basic homemade multi-outlet that you can make in prison, or actually make out here. With the can just like that. If you want to make your prongs smaller, they don't have to be as long, make your measurements and bend the can back and crease it. And then back and forth until it breaks. Now if you got scissors that you can use on cans, that is great. Also use a razor blade. And also use a razor blade to cut it. And that's how you shorten your mill prong. Now what's going to happen is when you use your mill prong to plug in, push it in to make contact.